Hello, friends. It's the fall season. Let's sing a song and have fun with some fall activities.
Hey! Hisco! Go! Go! 5 little acorns hanging in a tree. Along came a squirrel as quick as can be. He grabbed one acorn and scampered away. Now there are 4 to play today. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Run, run, squirrel, run so fast. 4 little acorns hanging in a tree. Along came a squirrel as quick as can be. He grabbed one acorn and scampered away. Now there are 3 to play today. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Run, run, squirrel, run so fast. 3 little acorns hanging in a tree. Along came a squirrel as quick as can be. He grabbed one acorn, scampered away. Now there are 2 to play today. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Run, run, squirrel, run so fast. 2 little acorns hanging in a tree. Along came a squirrel as quick as can be. He grabbed one acorn and scampered away. Now there is 1 to play today. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Run, run, squirrel, run so fast. 1 little acorn hanging in a tree. Along came a squirrel as quick as can be. He grabbed that acorn and scampered away. Now there are none to play today. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Run, run, squirrel, run so fast. The busy little squirrel, so quick and small, stored his acorns in his tree so tall, saving them up for a chilly day. Go, squirrel, go, go, go. Hooray! Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Run, run, squirrel, run so fast.
Great job singing, everyone. Now let's take a look at some fun facts about the fall season.
Welcome to our exploration of the beautiful fall season, a time of vibrant colors and cooler temperatures. Did you know that fall is also known as autumn, and it marks the transition from summer to winter? One fun fact is that the leaves change color due to the breakdown of chlorophyll, revealing beautiful reds, oranges, and yellows. Another interesting fact is that fall is the harvest season, when many fruits and vegetables are gathered. Did you know that many animals prepare for winter during fall by gathering food and building shelters? In many cultures, fall is celebrated with festivals such as Halloween and Thanksgiving. Fall is also known for its unique weather patterns, including crisp air and occasional rain showers. Finally, fall is a great time for outdoor activities like hiking, apple picking, and enjoying nature's beauty.
Wow, we learned so many amazing things about fall. Which fun fact surprised you the most? Next, we will try some questions about things we do in autumn. Listen carefully. Each question begins with the word who. That means we're looking for a person, maybe a boy, a girl, or even a group of friends. Your job is to listen carefully and answer using a pronoun he, she, or they. We use he when we're talking about one boy. We use she when we're talking about one girl. And we use they when we're talking about more than one person, like a group of friends. Are you ready to jump into the fun? Who is picking apples? The answer is she. Who is baking a pumpkin pie? The answer is he. Who is jumping in the leaves? The answer is they. Who is making a scarecrow? The answer is he. Who is raking the leaves? The answer is she. Who is playing football? The answer is they. Who is carving a pumpkin? The answer is she. Who is walking in a corn maze? The answer is they. Who is taking a nature walk? The answer is she. Who is trick-or-treating? The answer is they. Great job, friends! You remembered he, she, and they so well. Up next, let's learn all about prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are special words that tell us where something is. Let's listen to a song to learn more.
Clap, hooray! Clap, hooray! Clap, hooray! Clap, hooray! The dog is in his little house today. Where?
The dog is on the roof, oh wow!
Where? The dog is under his house, how'd that happen now? Where?
The dog is next to his cozy home.
Where?
The dog is behind it, feeling fine.
Where?
The dog is in front of his house.
Wagging his tail with glee. The dog's between two homes, can you see? Where? Let's learn preposition, shout hooray! Clap, hooray! Clap, hooray! Clap, hooray! Clap, hooray! Learning where things are. Hip, hip, hooray! Yay, 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 yay!
Let's take another look at the pictures and review together. Are you ready to answer some fun questions on the next slides? Where's the crow? The preposition of place is on. Where are the pumpkins? The preposition of place is in. Where is the squirrel? The preposition of place is under. Where is the candy bucket? The preposition of place is in front of. Where is the wooden cart? The preposition of place is next to. Where is the turkey? The preposition of place is between. Where is the basket of apples? The preposition of place is under. Where is the pumpkin pie? The preposition of place is next to. Where is the cat? The preposition of place is behind. Where is the scarecrow? The preposition of place is in front of. Awesome work, friends! Now you know how to say where things are, like in, on, under, and next to. Get ready, friends! In the next slides, I'm going to ask you some fun general knowledge questions about the fall season. Listen carefully and see if you can answer them all. What is another name for fall? When does fall begin? What changes color in the fall? What color is a pumpkin? Where do pumpkins and corn grow? Who grows crops? What keeps birds away from the farm? Which one do we carve to make a jack-o'-lantern? Why do kids wear costumes on Halloween? When do we celebrate Thanksgiving? Which fruit do we use to make cider? Name this fall vegetable. Name this fall vegetable. Name this Thanksgiving food. Name a word that rhymes with fall. Wow, you did it! You answered all the fall-themed questions like a true autumn expert. You've earned the Excellent Explorer Award for being kind, clever, and full of fall spirit. So give yourself a big round of applause, a happy little dance, or even a leaf toss celebration. Thanks for joining us on this fall adventure. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep exploring the seasons around you.